Hey, what's going on? I hope everyone's doing well. Got a break-even trade today, so that's 2 on the trot. Let's play the recording and see what happened. So you can see price, obviously this is a previous resistance. You can see on the 15-minute chart where the resistance there. MES or ES was obviously dropping a whole lot faster. My point of interest is this breaker block here in this swing high, both ES and NQ. See, we're starting to displace higher. Put my stop loss just at the bottom of this displacement candle and target a 2 hour. So on this pullback here, I'm looking for an entry. And there we go, we're in. So the thing I was looking out for here is, you can see on the ES chart, you've got a 15-minute order block here, and here on NQ, and then obviously you also got a massive bearish fair value gap that we just traded into. So I was being very cautious because I don't know if this was just going to be a fake out and for us to then dump. So price is now going to be fighting in between two quite strong fair value gaps. So I'll forward it a little bit. So already price was, it was stalling. It wasn't reacting quick. And now here, I thought, good. Looks like we're going to run to the target. There's another good displacement candle. As you can see what happened, these fair value gaps here are small on NQ, so they're not really much of a concern. But look at this, what's happened here on the ES chart. We're well into that order block now, the bearish order block, and we're well into this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap, and we're rejecting. So I've moved my stop up, as you can see, to this swing low here. So if price is to come below that and break below that, it's not a good sign, and therefore that's my point of exiting the trade, or invalidation, sorry. So great, look, price is moving higher, probably sitting at just over 1 hour here now, but again, it's not got a lot of energy. It's trying, but it's just stalling. So I've moved my stop loss up again below this swing low, and now my trade is just above break even. That's it. It kicked me out of the trade. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope this way of recording this, the trading sessions are better, because it just allows me to break down whilst I'm replaying my trade as well. And I'll see you lot again soon.